Karangalan ng pasalubong ng Philippine Ascal sa kanilang pagbabalik Pilipinas kahapon mula sa AFC Challenge Cup sa Nepal. Ipinagmalaki naman ng striker na si Phil Young Husband ang iginawad sa kanyang award bilang highest scorer ng torneo ngayong taon. Narito ang aking report. Hawak ang tropeyong Golden Boot Award bilang highest scorer sa katatapos na AFC Challenge Cup. Pinangunahan ni Ascal striker Phil Young Husband ang pagbabalik ng Philippine football team mula sa Kathmandu, Nepal. Ang mga kasamahan, suot naman ang medalyang napanalunan bilang third placer sa prestihiyosong tournament, ang pinakamataas na panalo ng bansa sa isang major football game. Bukod sa sambayan ng Pilipino, alay rin daw nila ang panalo sa mga Ascals na hindi nakasama sa Nepal.
Some of those who started the journey with us are not here. Our skipper like Ali Bormeo has an injury. There are some other guys like Anton Del Rosario, Joel Bermejo, Yanti Barsalas. They've been part of this journey, so we also dedicate this particular victory to all of them. It's actually historical because it's the first time that 19th or 20th ranked team has managed to reach the get third place in this tournament.
Para marating ang third place finish, tinalo ng Philippine Ascals ang India at Tajikistan, mga dating kampiyon sa AFC Challenge Cup na isa sa mga pinakamahalagang football competition sa Asia. Makasaysayan din ang pagkapanalo ni Phil Young Husband ng Golden Boot Award. Siyang kauna-unahang miyembro ng Philippine team na mabigyan nito. 6 ang goal na naipasok ni Phil sa buong kompetisyon. Ang bawat goal, sinusundan niya ng sayaw na alay raw niya sa kasintahan si Angel Locsin.
I was speaking with Angel and she said that I should do something special after the game rather than just hug everyone. So she said to do something, and so I dedicated the dance to obviously Angel and then my younger sister Kerry.
Laking pasalamat din ni Chiefy Caligdong, sabay-sabing umpisa pa lang daw ito para sa tinagurian ng emerging football team sa rehiyon.
Malaking improvement para sa team na ipinakita ng buong team na buong players na makuha yung ganitong ano.
Umpisa pa lang ito para sa inyo?
Siyempre, umpisa pa lang pero hindi pa tapos yung laban. Keep on fighting for the country.
But I see it from a bigger picture. I think we still have areas of improvement, and the victory will come. Takes a little bit more, but it will come, I'm quite sure. With this performance now, we can build up big confidence and then go ahead from there and then have a good chance there also.